Hey YouTubers, so I know what you're thinking. I'm wearing this big jacket, it's just my dad's. We went out to play football. So today I just want to show you some sound effects and me acting them out. It's kind of weird. Okay, one sec. I'm just gonna find one. Just dropped my iPod. Put it. Oh, where should I put it? Just put it there. Okay. Let's do a scream. Oh no. That's scary. Okay, what else? This sounds a lot like my sister. Right, this sounds a lot like my sister. Yeah, it does. What about my cat's thinking, what the hell? Look. She's sleeping on my bed. She's a cool little cat. Anyway. What about that goes with this. It's nice and grey. Wait, I'll try again. That was a fail. What about... This sounds a lot like my dad in bed. Yeah, that's a lot like my dad. He wakes me up. This sounds like a really wet cough. I'm very annoyed. I need to get through this door. Oh, I like this one. Shotgun. Look at this. Shoot my cat. That was good. What about... How long has this video been on? 3 minutes. How about nose blow? Shit porn. Oh, where is it? There. Sounds like my dad is in bed as well, going like this. What about a whip? I can do a better one like that. Rain. It's so good. I like siren.